So friends, this is the nature park inside the Daringbadi. So the rural culture has been shown over here. You can see a old woman sitting on the veranda of his kutia, and here you can see a woman, a child on his arms, and a little boy walking with her. So the board has been written here. We saw the kutia kandha. So the Kandhamal Kutia Kandh travel people are being shown inside the nature park of Daringbadi. So this is the medical plant garden. A Rusi statues has been constructed inside the medical plant garden. So many medical plants has been grown inside the nature park of Daringbadi. So let's take a closer look of the medical plant garden of Daringbadi. So this is Asoka. Here you can see Dalchini plant, Putrajimva. So many medical plants has been grown over here. Katak Dhania, Gantha Sunthi, Karpura Tulasi, Ganga Sivli, Rosamari, Dev Sanda, Patal Garud, so many. You can see Dhala Tulasi. This is Juwani. So many medical plants has been grown inside the nature park. So this is butterfly park of Daringbadi. So we are entering the butterfly park of Daringbadi.